after the win, Dhoni said, "Coach Saab, the smile looks great on you. Intensity with a smile is a killer combo." What did you feel when he saw that?
Look,
Because he's been in your position in as a player, but what did
see
you feel?
that's why I say,
Yeah.
no, being a coach, I think sometimes it's very difficult to be in a situation where people have not been in that situation. But good on him that he tweeted on that, honestly. But I feel that when you're in a dugout, there is so much on stake. इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती है हमेशा इंडियन टीम से कि आप हंसना चाहो भी, कौन हंसना नहीं चाहेगा, तब भी आप कई बार नहीं हंस पाते, और स्पेशली जब आप वर्ल्ड कप जैसे टूर्नामेंट खेलते हो, बिकॉज इन इंडिया अनफॉर्चुनेटली losing is not an option.
True.
But it can happen, because if losing was not an option, then India would have won all the World Cups. But ऐसा नहीं होता. This is sport. आप पूरी जिंदगी किसी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, बट देयर इज़ नो गारंटी फॉर रिटर्न. ये कोई इक्विटी या ये कोई शेयर मार्केट नहीं है कि आपने रिटर्न किए, आपने इन्वेस्ट किया तो आपको कितनी रिटर्न मिलनी है. यहाँ पर आप पूरे 1.5 साल आप मेहनत करते हो, इन्वेस्ट करते हो, और कोई गारंटी नहीं थी कि हम ये वर्ल्ड कप जीतें. तो आप सोचिए कि अगर हम वर्ल्ड कप ना जीतते या सेमीफाइनल में हार जाते तो रिटर्न तो जीरो है ना, इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद, इतना इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद. दैट्स व्हाई आई से दैट स्पोर्ट्स इज वेरी डिफरेंट टू एनी अदर प्रोफेशन.
You know, you're saying that there's no guarantee and all that, but when you win, like one win after the other, it's like viewers and enthusiasts take it for granted कि आप जीतने वाले हो. You know, it's so the area of disappointment is so low that none of us want to be disappointed, so that anger comes very high.
Yeah, but that's not fair on the players.
True.
That is absolutely not fair on the players. कौन आप मुझे एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन बता दीजिए जहाँ people do not fail.
Yeah.
Tell me one profession कि जहाँ पर people are not allowed to fail. So it should be the same parameter for players as well, for cricketers as well. Shouldn't they be allowed to fail? It is okay to fail. It is, if you do not allow them to fail, they will never win. Because that fear of making a mistake, if they start fearing making a mistake, they will make more mistakes. And that is one thing which I wanted to get out of their system, that it is okay to make a mistake, it is okay to fail even if we don't win. At the end of the day, we can look ourselves in the mirror and say, did we give everything for the country and for this team? If we have, everything is acceptable.